The office desk is too messy with stationery and the cables scattered all over, making it a headache to manage your time. A solution is to use an empty pizza box as a storage box for notebooks. First, create a compartment inside, then spray paint on it and add decorative material. Now you can neatly organize your items. Create a fun pencil sharpener by attaching a paper ring to the pizza box with hot glue and place a pencil sharpener in it. You can also make a measuring tape from a shoelace. Measure and mark it with a ruler. You have got a simple tape measure for clothes or checking your body size. Make a photo card with a hot glue and paper clips. Apply different colored hot glue to each paper clip. Add a glitter and let it dry. Use these clips to attach photos and small lights for creative display. Use a cement to make a soap tray by pouring it into an ice cream container, adding pebbles and letting it dry. It's cool and practical addition to your bathroom. Create a sturdy and cute plastic bag by decorating it with a colorful tape. Attach the tape in fun animal shapes, making the bag both durable and attractive. Prevent watercolor palettes from spilling by attaching velcro to the brushes and palettes, keeping them together during painting. It's convenient way to avoid accidents. Make your ballpoint pen unique by adding hot glue to the pen barrel, inserting the pen riffle and filling it with water and dry oil. Add a glitter for a personal touch and enjoy fun and stylish pen. These do-yourself ideas are not only practical but also add a touch of creativity to your daily life. Give them a try and have some fun crafting. For more such useful videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel Snap Art. Thank you guys.